Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wondered how to make your designs more accessible, today's tutorial is just what you need. We're going to walk through the basics of UI accessibility in Figma, focusing on how to use Figma's built-in contrast checker. By the end of this video, you'll be confident in checking your color choices to make sure everyone can read your UI, including users with visual impairments. Let's get started. Okay, so first up, we're going to demo what's called AA and AAA color contrast levels within Figma. You might have heard about these if you've read up on accessibility, but let me briefly explain. AA or AA is a minimum standard for accessibility, while AAA or AAA is more rigorous and often required for content that needs to be highly readable. Knowing the difference helps you design responsibly. To begin, select any shape in your Figma canvas, for example, a button or icon background. Once you've got it clicked, look over to the right in the Properties panel and find the Fill section. Here's a nifty detail. Next to the color, you'll notice an icon that resembles a pair of uppercase A's. This is Figma's visual tag for contrast compliance, specifically the AA level. If you see a check mark next to the icon, congrats. Your color combination meets the minimum accessibility standard. If there's a little warning sign instead, your contrast isn't up to par. Now here, where Figma gets super helpful. When you click on the color, Figma will actually show you which colors are compliant and which aren't. If your current color doesn't meet AA standards, Figma will prompt you with options that do, almost like a helpful friend saying, hey, maybe try this one. This makes it much easier than running manual checks or using outside tools. But here's something important to know. AAA or AAA contrast levels only apply to text. So if you're working with shapes and try to hit that extra high AAA rating, Figma won't let you its grayed out because those standards are really designed for readability, not background colors. Don't worry, you're not missing anything, it's just how the guidelines work. Let's move over to text now. Click on any text layer in your design. In the Fill section, click the color picker and you'll notice that now both AA and AAA contrast icons show up. This means Figma is checking your color choices for both levels of accessibility. You'll instantly see if you have an AAA rating, and if not, again, there's a one-click shortcut that brings you to a compatible high-contrast color. It's like having a guardrail to keep your designs accessible for everyone. And if you want to dig deeper, click on the contrast settings. Here you can manually switch between category, text, shapes, etc. and toggle the contrast level. This flexibility lets you fine-tune your choices so you can balance accessibility with your brand colors, aesthetics, or any client requirements. And that's really it. With just a few clicks, you've made your design more inclusive and you've set yourself up for success with real users. Remember, prioritizing accessibility isn't just about ticking a box, it's about making sure your message reaches everyone. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions on accessibility or Figma. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on more design tips and tutorials. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you next time.